Wanna be a doctor?
Yeah!
Little doctor's here. Don't worry, trust me. Hey, little patient, listen to the doctor. Drink plenty of water. I'll take care of you. Viruses go away. It's time to go to bed. Baby is sick. Tuck yourself in, get some sleep. Little doctor's here. Don't worry, trust me. Hey, little patient, listen to the doctor. You need a good rest. Close your eyes and go to sleep. I'll take care of you. I think Mommy's sick. I'll call Daddy. Hello, Daddy. Mom's sick.
I'll be right there.
Okay. Mommy is sick. Let's take care of Mommy together. We're good doctors. Viruses go away. Check your temperature, check your heart rate. Don't worry, Mommy. Little doctors will help you. Mommy, I love you. Mommy is sick. Drink plenty of water. Little doctors are here. Don't worry, don't worry. Good patient, it's story time. I'll tuck you in. Mommy, get some sleep. We'll take care of you. Mommy is sick, she needs a good rest. Little doctors are here, Mommy gets better soon.
Today I learned...
Now we know how to take care of patients.